Hi, I'm Dr. Anastasios Vekris from Athens, Greece. It is with great pleasure and joy to invite all of you, all of our dear colleagues from around the world, to the first dedicated Congress on Afro Hair that will take place in Salvador, Brazil from 12th to 15th of October under the auspices of the Brazilian Association of Hair Restoration Surgeons. We all know that Afro hair is one of the most complex issues, one of the most difficult parts in modern FUE hair restoration. However, in recent years, there has been significant development of new tools, new instruments, new technologies, and new methods to address this difficult hair restoration issue. World experts will share their knowledge in conservative treatments, in new techniques, in new equipment, and new methods. So stay tuned, and you're all welcome to attend the Afro Hair workshop in Salvador, Brazil. But when we're talking about Salvador and Brazil, it's not only about congresses and knowledge and science, it's also about partying. So stay tuned, because they promised us they will have a very good social program. See you in Salvador.